The Air Car. The Air Car by Lazzarini Design Studio is an ambitious and futuristic concept that blends elements of luxury automotive design with the emerging field of urban air mobility, UAM. Known for their avant-garde creations, Lazzarini Design Studio's Air Car concept aims to push the boundaries of what personal transportation could look like in the near future. The Air Car is envisioned as a hybrid between a luxury sports car and a personal aircraft. It merges sleek automotive design with the capabilities of an aircraft, creating a vehicle that can travel both on the road and in the air. The design emphasizes aerodynamic efficiency, featuring a streamlined body with smooth curves and sharp lines. The aesthetics are heavily inspired by high-performance sports cars, with a focus on reducing drag and maximizing speed. The Air Car is equipped with VTOL capabilities, allowing it to take off and land vertically without the need for a runway. MyEye Pro is an advanced wearable assistive technology device developed by Orcam, designed to aid visually impaired and blind individuals by enhancing their ability to interact with the world around them. The device leverages cutting-edge computer vision and artificial intelligence to provide real-time information about the environment, text, and faces, which it then relays to the user through audio feedback. MyEye Pro is a small, lightweight device that attaches magnetically to the frame of any pair of glasses. This design makes it unobtrusive and comfortable to wear throughout the day. MyEye Pro can instantly read printed and digital text aloud, including newspapers, books, labels, and screens. This feature is particularly useful for tasks such as reading menus, street signs, or product packaging. This feature enables the user to command the device to read specific types of information, such as amounts, dates, or headlines, allowing for a more customized and efficient reading experience. CyberOne has a humanoid design, standing at 177 centimeters, 5.8 feet, tall and weighing around 52 kilograms, 114 pounds. Its form closely mimics human proportions, which is designed to facilitate interactions in human environments, such as homes, offices, and public spaces. The robot is equipped with 21 degrees of freedom in movement, powered by high-precision actuators that allow it to perform complex tasks. These actuators enable CyberOne to move its limbs, walk, and maintain balance, mimicking human motions. CyberOne is powered by advanced AI algorithms that enable it to process information, recognize objects, and understand its surroundings. Ectolife is a conceptual artificial womb facility designed by Hashim Al-Ghaili, a science communicator and biotechnologist. The concept envisions a future where babies can be grown in a controlled laboratory environment, rather than within a mother's body. The central component of Ectolife is the use of bioreactors that serve as artificial wombs. These bioreactors create a controlled environment that mimics the natural conditions of a human uterus, allowing embryos to develop from conception to birth. The bioreactors are filled with a synthetic amniotic fluid that provides protection and the necessary conditions for fetal development. This fluid is continually circulated and monitored to maintain the ideal environment for growth. Beyond disease prevention, parents could theoretically customize their child's traits, such as height, eye color. Parents could be provided with an app or digital interface that allows them to monitor the development of their baby. They could receive updates on milestones, such as the formation of the heart or the first signs of movement, and even view live video feeds from the bioreactor. The FIXAR 025 is a professional-grade unmanned aerial vehicle designed for a wide range of commercial and industrial applications. This allows it to take off and land vertically like a quadcopter, while transitioning to efficient fixed-wing flight for longer-range missions. The drone is built with durable materials to withstand harsh environmental conditions. Its lightweight, rugged design ensures it can operate in diverse terrains and weather conditions, making it suitable for a variety of industrial applications. The FIXAR 025 can carry a payload of up to 10 kg, making it ideal for tasks that require heavy or specialized equipment, such as LiDAR scanners, multispectral cameras, or other sensors. The drone's payload bay is modular, allowing for quick and easy swapping of different payloads. This flexibility enables the FIXAR 025 to be used in various applications, from mapping and surveying to inspection and surveillance. SeaLVans. SeaLVans are innovative, modular, amphibious vessels designed primarily for coastal and shallow water operations. Developed with versatility and sustainability in mind, these vessels are tailored for a range of applications, including transportation, logistics, tourism, and emergency response in marine environments. These vans are built with a modular approach, allowing different sections or modules to be swapped out or customized based on the vessel's intended use. These modules can include passenger cabins, cargo holds, medical facilities, or even living quarters. The modular components of SeaLVans are designed for easy assembly and disassembly, enabling rapid reconfiguration to suit various mission profiles. This makes the vessels highly adaptable to changing operational needs. Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro is a groundbreaking device that marks Apple's entry into the realm of augmented reality and mixed reality. It represents a significant leap in wearable technology, blending virtual and real-world experiences in a highly immersive way. The Vision Pro features a sleek, lightweight design made with high-quality materials, including aluminum and glass. The headband is adjustable, ensuring a comfortable fit for extended use. The device is modular, allowing for customizable accessories and components, such as prescription lenses or different types of head straps to accommodate various user preferences. The Vision Pro uses advanced micro-OLED displays, providing ultra-high-resolution visuals with exceptional brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. This allows for lifelike images and text to appear crisp and clear. The Vision Pro leverages spatial computing to understand and interact with the physical environment. Bellwether Flying Car. The Bellwether Flying Car, known as Volar, is an innovative concept in urban air mobility, designed to address the growing need for efficient and environmentally friendly transportation in increasingly congested urban environments. Bellwether Industries, the company behind Volar, aims to revolutionize personal transportation with this vehicle, blending the convenience of a car with the freedom of flight. The Volar has a futuristic appearance with smooth lines, sleek surfaces, and an overall aesthetic that combines elegance with functionality. The design is focused on reducing aerodynamic drag, enhancing both efficiency and performance. One of the most significant features of the Volar is its ability to take off and land vertically, similar to a helicopter. This allows it to operate in confined spaces, such as rooftops or small parking areas, making it ideal for urban use. The Volar is designed to carry a small number of passengers, typically 1 to 2, making it a personal transportation solution rather than a mass transit option. Deep Sentinel System Underwater. The Deep Sentinel System Underwater is a specialized technology developed primarily for underwater surveillance, security, and monitoring purposes. Designed to operate in challenging aquatic environments, it typically integrates a range of advanced features to ensure the safety, security, and operational efficiency of underwater assets and territories. These systems utilize sound waves to detect and map underwater objects, movements, and activities. They are crucial for identifying potential threats or obstacles in underwater environments. These help monitor environmental conditions, which can be critical for maintaining the integrity of underwater structures. These devices enable underwater communication by transmitting data through sound waves, crucial for linking various components of the Deep Sentinel system and ensuring real-time data transmission. Shane Car. The Shane is a futuristic vehicle concept designed by Shane Chen, the inventor of the hoverboard and solo wheel. It's essentially a giant self-balancing hoverboard on 2 oversized wheels, designed to transport up to 5 passengers. The Shane's design allows the cabin to move forward or backward to maintain balance during acceleration and braking. This unique feature helps in maintaining a level ride, reducing motion sickness, and ensuring safety. The vehicle also features a differential system that individually adjusts wheel speed, allowing it to turn in place and navigate tight spaces easily. It offers exceptional maneuverability and potential for smaller parking spaces. The Lex Yacht Villa. The Lex Yacht, designed by Lex Architecture, is an ultramodern and luxurious floating residence that combines the elegance of a superyacht with the comfort of a high-end villa. The villa includes a fully equipped gym, a helipad, and a state-of-the-art kitchen and dining area. The upper deck offers a terrace with a panoramic pool that can be opened or closed, providing a versatile space for relaxation and entertainment. The deck also includes areas for lounging and dining al fresco, designed using advanced tools like Autodesk 3ds Max and Corona Renderer. The LYX Yacht Villa stands as a symbol of futuristic architecture, blending aesthetic appeal with functionality. This futuristic yacht spans 300 square meters and offers a unique, movable living space with cutting-edge design and technology.